installing a storm drain today. So, if you need a storm drain, like when it rains heavily, something like that, because that happens all the time. Can you guys see better? Yeah, you can see better. When it rains heavily, yeah, you're gonna need a fork. Move, please. You see that? You need a handy shovel, some wood. You can do this too. Yeah. Need some wood, two short planks, and a long plank. Even a third short plank if you want to. You even need one of these or something else. You could just have an open space. I'm using this. Plank is neat. And you need a long plank like this. And you need 2 of these long planks. Let me go get the other one. For instance, no. You can even do more. You can have like 3 drains in one place. You can do 2. You can have 2 large planks, 1 large plank, 2 large planks, 3 large planks, or 4 large planks. I'm gonna do 4. And I wouldn't use rotten wood. So first you can clear this sweep out the area. Sweep it out so it'll be nice and clean. Then we start digging. I've already done a little bit, you can see, but that's not enough to the water to flow, because when it rains, a lot of water comes right here. So it won't rain. This exact spot. Sewage thing. Never mind. But anyway. When are we gonna get fireworks? I'm just asking. There we go. As you see, guys, I've sweeped out the way. So rotten cheese ball or whatever. Turn. Okay. Next, you need a shovel. Any kind of shovel, but this is a good shovel for digging here. Which they have. Make it a little deep. Hey, Prince. Stone. No. It's a walkway. But still, it couldn't stone. You need these stone things to keep water from going out of control and draining. Sit, Prince. Sit. Just sit right there. biggest world go down. And plus when it storms, anyway guys, it's way deeper than this. It looks like it may not work. This really doesn't work when it rains. And so he did. Thank you. Yes, me too. I wish I could fast forward, but I can't. Let me see here. Yeah, that looks a little good. Still have some to go. Some to go. If you want to, you can remove these kind of stomps, but I like them. Yeah. Great. Wow. Recent weather's doing a lot for this thing. I'm just putting in small videos. Not going to see videos. But I will show a video soon how to do a seed drain, but not yet. Except that I'll get Lego City. Lego City drain. I'm installing it wrong because you're never supposed to go from a small pipe to a big pipe. Go from a big tube to a small tube. You know, like in a water park. I was in that slide, and then as I went down, it got, it was small. And then it got huge. It jumped me up and I hit a big slide. And it kept on sliding. So it kind of went like that. That's how it's supposed to go. So now what you have your flute or tunnel, whatever you want to call it. Flute tunnel. Got a little block up. And make sure you don't have block up. Because if you do, that's dangerous. Because water can get clogged. It can cause a sewer backup. With a sewer backup, with this one pretty much would be prison. Sit right there. Sit. Your dog. And then you pretty much have that. Now I'm going to show you something, guys. They go like this. Here it is. I think it should go like this. And look, water goes underneath. Flows through and on out through it. When it rains. Yeah, it goes in. It looks good like that. Okay. So yeah, my battery's getting low, guys. I am going to have to hurry up with this video. And now let's get to the fun part, installing. So you already have your thing. You want to have this kind of plank that goes right here. A good length plank. You want to get another plank and put it right here. There's another brace. Then you want to get your extra long plank and put it right there along the way. And then you need a thin plank, thin and long plank, like this, to go right there. We'll do all the burying in and stuff once my phone charges up a little bit. That'll be part 2. That'll be coming out soon. Part 2, storm drain installation. Part 2, putting in barrier. We're going to put in a bigger barrier. And then you need another one to go along right here. But I might need an even bigger one, but skinny. So I move this one right here, put this one down, and make sure this one's lined up with the drain. So this one's lined in with the drain. The drain's lined up. But I may have to put the big wide one in. Let me see. Ow. Ow. Sometimes with these pads right here, you need a big and wide one. Yeah, I needed a big and wide one. And skinny. Big, wide, and skinny. So it needs to be even on each side of the drain. And then there we go. This is a weak signal of collapsing in. So you don't want to have this big plank. That shows a weak signal of too much water has to flow through. That shows weak signs of failure could happen when the drain's in use. It means this thing could fall off, anything. Any catastrophe. Let's put it, any catastrophe you don't want. So as you see, the storm drain is now fully installed. So when we have heavenly rain, or any kind of rain, and it's raining too much, it fills up this little area like it always does, it will all drain out. We're going to that storm drain. I wish I could level this down a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to install a storm drain. Thank you very much for watching, and bye.